Hello there, my friends. So I'm teaching D&D and I needed supplies for my new students. So of course that was a great excuse to get some dice. So this bag costs $23 plus tax on Amazon, and you get 25 sets. And the nice thing about this is it comes in a nice Ziploc bag, but they all come individually wrapped in bags too, which is awesome. The only thing that'd be nicer is if these were Ziploc bags too. And I have ordered some sets where there were a few that were in Ziploc bags and the others were in the shrink wrap. It looks like all of these are in shrink wrap. And then it comes with a nice velvet dice bag too, which I love. So you can like reward this to one of the students or keep it for yourself. All right, so let's take a look at some of these. I'm not gonna take them out of the bag because I want to like pass them out, but like I'll show you through the bag. So these are, we have black and gold. This one's like blue and gold. It's two. These are really cool, like sky blue and like white. Blue and green. It's like iridescent green. Look at that, like it's got sparkles in it. That's 5. Red and blue, classic. A lot of red in this one. Red and gold, iridescent. It's 8. It's like, looks like honey covered. It's almost like a honeycomb. Iridescent blue, that's 9. Another black and gold. Is that the same? It's kind of like, this one's pure black, this one's like black with some white in it. Silver. Oh, that's really cool. Green and red. Merry Christmas. Another kind of like honey-shaped one almost. This one's more with sparkles. This one's more plain. Orange. Blue and brown. It's a very readable font. It's like iridescent blue. It's kind of like a bronze. Like seafoam. Purple and gold. Iridescent green. Lighter iridescent green. Iridescent blue. Gold and black. Ooh, look at that shiny green and gold. That's really cool. And like a light purple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25. So less than $1 each for each of these sets. And each set comes with 7 dice. So it's got all the different shapes. It's got two 10-sided die though. One with like the 10s and one with like the 1s. So the D4 is pyramid shaped, cube shaped D6. If you don't know why I said that, there's some pretty cool looking D6s out there that aren't cube shaped. Diamond shaped D8, D12, and the most important one, D20. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching my video. I'll have a description in the description box. I'll have a link where you can get these, and this is the most affordable dice I could find on Amazon for teaching new players. Hope you guys have a great day out there. Thanks for subscribing, all 15,200 I think we're up to. So thanks for hitting the subscribe button. I'll see you on the next one. If you want to see some videos about teaching kids how to play D&D.